Transferring money from a Revolut to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So how do I send a transfer? Here's how to transfer money to external bank accounts or other Revolut accounts. Go to Payments or Home. Then click on Send. Choose the recipient or counterparty from the list, or click the plus New button to add a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transfer. Please always double-check the account details of the recipient you're sending money to. Once your transfer is complete, it can't be canceled. Only members with verified identities can complete transfers. Depending on your account permissions, you might need to get the transfer approved by someone who has admin access, in which case just contact your team or verify them using an SMS verification code. If you're not receiving the code, see here. If you can't change the currency, you will need to edit your recipient's details. These settings include currency settings too. You may need to remove the counterparty and add it again with new account details.